GTA 6, another delay. Rockstar Games is once again making headlines as the anticipated release of GTA 6 has been delayed to May 26, 2026, extending the wait for nearly 13 years since the last major installment. Initially slated for a fall 2025 release, this postponement is intended to ensure the game launches in its best possible state. Despite much of the game already being finalized, the delay allows for additional fine-tuning and polish, aiming to meet the high expectations set by both the developers and fans. Intriguingly, leaked information has shed light on how the game's narrative has undergone significant changes over time. Earlier versions of the storyline presented vastly different concepts, such as the inclusion of 3 playable protagonists. These characters included a crooked cop, his son, and a drug lord's right-hand man, offering a complex and multifaceted narrative experience. Each character would have brought their unique perspective to the unfolding events, contributing to a rich and intricate storyline. Other proposed plots that were ultimately scrapped included a Vice City cop on a quest to avenge her mother's death, adding a personal and emotional dimension to the gameplay. In another iteration, the game would have followed the lives of a police officer paired with an ex-soldier, exploring themes of friendship, loyalty, and justice. These storylines reflect Rockstar's dedication to crafting compelling narratives, even if they ultimately chose a different direction for the final product. As fans eagerly await the official release, the evolution of GTA 6's storyline highlights Rockstar's commitment to delivering an experience that resonates with players. The extra time taken to refine and perfect the game underscores the importance placed on quality and narrative depth, promising an engaging and immersive experience that aims to uphold the legacy of the Grand Theft Auto series.